friends, random everyday people, new subscribers, old subscribers, anybody who watches my channel. Today we are doing Team Answer shout out. So yeah, woo! And today, as you can see, I've already put Team Answer shout outs. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So number one is whoa, that is a bit small. Okay. Number one, Chambers. So she does videos, very good videos. I watch her a lot, and I subscribed to her, but then I had to re-subscribe. Why, you ask? Well, because I accidentally canceled her from my subscribe when I accidentally, hold on, sorry, when I accidentally clicked, I don't know how to explain this, oh my god, so, yeah, well, let's just say I resubscribed, okay, what's here? Okay, let's do this, yeah, okay, number two, I would not want to be you, is Fire Lord of Awesomeness. She really needs to have shown this, but she is one of my subscriptions, so subscribe. What else? So, she is quite hard to find, so you may actually have to go to my channel and click on Fire Lord Awesomeness. She has like a Quora, what's it called? A Quora picture answer, you know that little circle thingy that, is like your profile pic or something? Yeah, well, hers is Quora, so I'll leave that there. I'll actually put the description to I'll put the link to her, to Fire Lord Awesomeness in this video. So yeah, okay, that's a bit about her. She does LPS, so she does LPS, every Sunday, I think it was, and on one of her videos she gave me a shout out, so yeah, number three, oh, that was funny, hashtag was on the same thing as three, number three is Miranda Sims. That's right, Miranda Sims is one of the funniest YouTubians that there ever was, okay, so go to her channel and click a button, I don't know, it's next to a button of this. Go to there, wait, I should really put that up there. There we go, okay. So yeah, finish YouTube. Yeah. Number four, I'm only doing 5 today, sorry. I'll have more videos of this in the future. See what I did there? Now you don't see it because there's no such thing as a one called future. Well, I think you guys will like this. Check out 3Doodler. It is so awesome, and I got it off G Chambers up here. Yeah, that's right, number one G Chambers website. 3Doodler. It has a 3D drawing pen. That's right, you can draw in the air. So go check that out. Make sure you subscribe to them. They're awesome. They actually have a launch video for the pen. So yeah. And my last one for today is I don't know, Physiocypro or something. Her real name is Colleen Ballinger. I think that's how you spell it. I think it's a double L. I think that's how you spell it. She does videos, but if you do not like talking about farts and burps, then I would not check her out. No way. And that's all you can do with farts and burps. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today, and please subscribe. If I get 5 subscribers by the end of this week, then I will, launch another video of this type of thing. Shoutouts, and you, that's right, you could get a shout out if you subscribe. So yeah, if you want a shout out, subscribe and I'll give you a shout out. So yeah, and also, I did a new video this week. I did a new video, but I don't know, I can't remember it. So go check me out. Yeah, see ya.